Hi, my name is Desmond from Genius IT Brainery. The GITB LEAD Essentials course is one that seeks to help a lot of young people get started in the tech space by acquiring relevant digital, entrepreneurial, and leadership skills. The course is so loaded with a lot of valuable stuff to take away. It's very affordable because it's being sponsored, so you pay so little to participate in this training. Many of you have been asking, how do I participate in this training program and how do I apply? The application process is very simple, a very simple form to fill and be part of this training program, which is just for 3 months, which is 12 weeks as well. So I'm going to take you through the application process right now, and I need you to follow strictly and be able to apply and participate in the next session that is coming up next month. Thank you. The first thing you do is that we go to the website geniusitbrainery.com, and this brings us to the homepage of the Brainery's website. So take a look at it closely and take a look at the URL also closely so that you don't make any mistake later on. Let me close this quickly. So this is the GITB or Genius IT Brainery website, and this is how it looks at the moment. What we are interested in is how we can apply to the GITB LEAD Essentials course. If you are using a mobile phone, you can just scroll and then get to admissions. So these admissions here will take you straight to the application form where you can apply. But if you're on your desktop, you can equally use the admissions menu at the top here. So let me just use admissions down here for the application process. Alright, so this brings us to the application form, which we are going to fill. It has two parts. The first part is where we have the application information and also some programs or other programs that you can equally apply to and participate in them. Now, looking at the right side here, we have two categories of courses that we run here at Genius IT Brainery. The first one is our standard courses, okay, our standard courses, and also we have our sponsored courses. The sponsored courses mostly are courses that are being sponsored by organizations. So these courses may require that you only apply at a fee and then take the entire course for free, or probably the entire cost is taken away for you, right? But the standard courses come with their standard pricings, and if you have to take the course at a discount or on scholarship, then you may have to apply to Genius IT Foundation for that scholarship opportunity to be granted you. So it depends on the course you are applying for. You must find out if the course is a sponsored course or if it's a standard course. So you have to be clear on these two categories before you start your application. Alright, so getting these two categories right, let's move ahead and then start filling our form. So this is a form which is categorized in different sections. The first one is your biodata. So your biodata takes record of your personal details like your name, your middle name, your gender, your email address, occupation, phone, and stuff like that. So those ones are quite simple. Just fill them straight up and then you're gone. Then we have the academic background information. It's very simple, only one field to fill, that is your academic qualification. So did you complete with an WASI, HND, first degree, or master's, whichever it is that you've just completed, you place that here as well. And this is where you now do your program selection. They're going to ask you to either select a sponsored course or to pick a standard course. Now, the GITB LEAD Essentials course is a sponsored course by the foundation, so you select sponsored course, and if you pick a sponsored course, it gives you the chance to select either the GITB LEAD Essentials course or the computer science teacher training program. And this video specifically is for the GITB LEAD Essentials course, so you pick that as the default option. Yeah, that is the default option anyway, but you have to select it again to be sure that that's what is selected. Then you go ahead and then select the session that you want to participate in. For instance, this year the February-April session is ended. We are moving towards starting the May-July session. So you select the May-July session. But if you are applying in advance for the session that is coming up in August, then you can go in for that particular option. Then you select the preferred time schedule. We have the morning, we have the evening, and we have the alternating options. So if you are busy in the evenings, or maybe you don't close from work early, you can choose a morning session. But if you feel that you're going to be alternating between the morning and evening session due to your schedules, then you can pick the alternating session. But upon picking the alternating session, you're going to be asked to input why you will be switching between the sessions. All right, but mind you, whatever is taught in the morning is what is evening too, so you are all at the same level. And that is the flexibility of the lead essentials course. You can select any session that you want, or you can alternate between the morning and evening at your schedules. And then preferred learning mode is offline. That is the only option we have currently. The course is yet to move online as well, to serve those from far away and want to participate in the course online as well. So for now, you just select your offline session. Then getting to the ending part of the form, you choose if you have a laptop or not. If you say yes, you select yes. If you say no, then you state that if no, will you be able to get one before start of the program? Yes, no, or maybe. You select the options that are available. Then you make a selection about how you heard about the program. You choose from the options that are available. If it is other, you state what is the other channels through which you heard about this special program. The last part is that you see your course fee over here. So how much are you going to pay in total for the course that you are selecting? You choose that from here. Then you select that I'm not a robot. He's going to give you a challenge to fill, or it will just tick it for you to be sure that it's not a robot that is applying for this particular course. My internet is quite slow, so it gave me that alert over there. So briefly, that is how you apply for the Genius IT Brainery courses, especially the Lead Essentials course. Now I'm going to take you through briefly some of the courses that we have here. Before you apply for a particular course, you should know which category it belongs to. So let's go to the Essentials course here and see what is actually entailed in that course. Alright, so when you select any of the courses, this is the layouts on desktop view. We have the banner here, we have the course overview, then the course type appears here. So this is sponsored or special course. Okay, sponsored or special course. You see the duration of the course here, the registration fee, and then the tuition fee. All are included here, so you can equally just get to the page and read about the course before you apply for it. Now, what do you need to know about this course? We have three sections here. The far right side is for the testimonies or testimonials about this course, so you can read or hear the testimonies that people are sharing about the course. In the middle section here, we have the modules, so you can just click and swap either right or left. Okay, you click and swap, or you scroll down a little bit and then click on these buttons down here. Okay, so this gives you the first module. So this is a digital skills module. It tells you everything that you need to know about the particular module and also the objectives of that module. We also have the leadership skills module, and it also tells you the courses that you'll be studying under the leadership module: self-leadership, goal setting, time management, and communication. And these are the course objectives here. Then when I swap again, we have the business or entrepreneurial skills module, where you learn about business modeling and so on and so forth. Okay, so you take your time to read these brief stuffs about the course before you apply. Then we have the general course objectives down here. You can read that also. When the course is done, what are the levels we expect you to be when you finish? We have the beginner to the intermediate level of these courses. We have the course requirements. What do you need to have before you start this course? The mode of delivery. We have offline. We have the session days. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you take note of all these. Payment plan. You're supposed to make at least 50% deposit before the start of the course. Then the course materials. What are the things you should be getting when you come in here? We're going to give you some softwares to install. We have some slides to give to you when we finish the presentations, some videos that will be recommended for you to watch, and also some PDF files that you can also watch or read to get more clarification. Attendance requirement is you must get at least 90% attendance before you can complete this course and also be certified. Then you also have to assign assignments to students to take home and do. So you must do all. So none is left out. So you must get 100% assignment rate before you complete this course and be certified by Genius IT Brainery. Alright, so down here we have other courses you can also read about and then get to know more about it. Then the last part is that you can also apply now from here. So you click on this apply now button, it takes you straight to the application page. Or you can also download the syllabus. Okay, when you click on the download syllabus here, it takes you where you can read more about the course itself on Google Drive. So you should have Google Drive installed on your PC or your phone in order to view this, or probably your browser can help you to view this quickly, and then you can download the syllabus. Sorry, my internet is quite slow. Good. So we have the course syllabus here: leadership module, digital skills, and then entrepreneurship module. And each course on this website has its own syllabus, so you read the syllabus carefully and closely. Look at the modules here, the course you're going to be taking, the takeaways, which are the objectives, and then the duration of the course, which tells you how long each module will take before you finish that module. All right, so that is it about how to apply to the Genius IT Brainery Essentials course, and equally every other course that we run here in the Brainery, and you wouldn't have any problem. We want to wish you the best, and participating in the Genius IT Brainery courses is really deep and it's valuable. We have a lot of testimonies from our students, and we believe that if you take these courses that we offer, you are going to do so well and so well. So thank you so much, and I hope forward to having the applications pouring in and for us to have a good time together studying and becoming better at ourselves. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are so much interested. You're going to learn a lot of things, and I believe you will not regret participating in this training program. So please go ahead and fill the application form, and we'll see you in class shortly. Bye.